Hi, I'm Anita DeFonte from Coast of Maine Organic Soils, and we're here today with Lee Ganem, that garden guy. Lee is a radio personality and a gardening expert, and we are both in Connecticut, so I listen to his show every week, and I also have been a guest on his show.
You were one of my best guests, by the way.
I'm an organic gardener, so it's really important to me to use the right products in my garden. So today, we're going to talk about this bumper crop tomato and vegetable plant food. Why do you want to buy this, Lee? Tell us.
You know, with the organic movement the way it's going, this is one of the best products on the market for organic gardeners. It has mycorrhiza, which are essential in any type of fertilizer today. It helps that plant to absorb nutrients all year long, the life of the plant. And it has calcium for all those problematic, especially those plum tomatoes. You know those plum tomatoes, they have that blossom end rot. I'll tell you, this one application a month will just eliminate it right away. And it's just one of the better formulas on the market. The NPK is fantastic. So
look at that middle number, that 6 there. That's all the root development. That translates to more food to the plant, which means more tomatoes, flowers, peppers, whatever you're feeding this to, you're going to get more of.
Remember, you are what you eat, so you might as well use the fertilizer you can live with, and it won't affect your organic status at all. It'll make everything grow bigger, faster, and stronger.
Look for bumper crop tomato and vegetable food at your local Master Nursery Garden Center. You can go to bumpercrop.net, masternursery.com, or coastofmaine.com to find a Master Nursery Garden Center near you. Happy gardening!